The National Health Research Institutes was established in 1996 by the government. Its beautiful 32-hectare campus in Miaoli County's Junan Science Park is home to modern research and administrative buildings, a medical library, an information center, and advanced research facilities. NHRI has a staff of around 1,200 people. The mission of NHRI is to enhance medical research and improve the well-being of people in Taiwan. NHRI's research institutes, divisions, and centers form a unique platform for advancing medical diagnosis and treatment, promoting public health and health policy, and developing biotechnology. NHRI's intramural research focuses mainly on molecular, cellular, and genomic medicine, clinical and translational medicine, biotechnology and pharmaceutical research, and population health sciences. Research areas range from health policy to common problems, such as aging, cancer, infectious diseases, cardiovascular diseases, mental disorders, drug and substance addiction, and occupational medicine and environmental health. Over the past few years, NHRI has overcome many challenges and reached many important milestones. Taiwan's surveillance of antimicrobial resistance project led the government to bring about a substantial reduction in outpatient clinics' usage of antibiotics. In 1998, a virus killed more than 70 children in Taiwan. NHRI's identification of this as enterovirus subtype 71 helped contain the outbreak. In 2004 and 2008, research teams in the Division of Biotechnology and Pharmaceutical Research and the Vaccine Research and Development Center developed candidate drugs and vaccines against enterovirus 71. The Vaccine Research and Development Center has successfully established an emergency production line for cell-based H5N1 vaccine. Preclinical animal toxicity tests have shown the vaccine candidate is both effective and safe. Several drug candidates and lead compounds have been identified, including drugs against cancer, hepatitis C, diabetes, and obesity. Patent rights have already been applied for. The Division of Molecular and Genomic Medicine's pioneering discovery of defective genes in inherited bone and skin diseases sheds new light on the causes and management of inherited diseases. A clinical study result predicts a high response rate to targeted therapy in Taiwan using epidermal growth factor receptor inhibitor gefitinib. The research brings hope of a better survival rate for lung adenocarcinoma patients. The Taiwan Cooperative Oncology Group conducted Taiwan's first multi-center clinical trials in cancer treatment, with participating hospitals island-wide. A clinical research information management system has been successfully developed. This application software has been helping the Taiwan Cooperative Oncology Group with data management, statistical design, and the analysis of its multi-institutional clinical trials. In 2006, the system received FDA Part 11 compliance accreditation. Stem cell research, nanomedicine, and MRI imaging are also important components of NHRI's rigorous investigation to explore new directions for the prevention, diagnosis, treatment, and cure of diseases. Investigators have identified COX-2-derived prostaglandins as important mediators of embryonic stem cell versus somatic and cancer cell survival and the signaling mechanisms responsible for apoptosis. These findings have clinical implications in stem cell expansion and in vitro fertilization. A population of multipotent cells from the human term placenta has been yielded. These cells can be differentiated into liver, nerve, vascular, chondrocyte, and bone-like cells. NHRI also provides extramural research funding based on quality peer review, offers scholarships and awards, conducts specialist programs, builds core facilities, and makes research resources accessible to biomedical researchers nationwide. Here are just a few of these many resources: the National Health Insurance Research Database, the NHRI Cell Bank, a laboratory animal center, and a high-throughput screening core facility. In addition, NHRI collaborates with more than 20 leading academic institutions and medical centers to enhance health research standards around the country through conducting integrated research programs, hosting educational and graduate training programs, and forming research groups. NHRI also builds networks linking medical centers and hospitals throughout Taiwan. These include the Infectious Disease Research Network, the Cardiovascular Disease Study Network, the Taiwanese Psychiatric Research Network, and the Vaccine Clinical Trial Network. NHRI has played a leading role in shaping the wide spectrum of medical research in Taiwan. Its staff will continue to bring their expertise, passion, and creativity to enhance medical knowledge for the well-being of people throughout the world.